Alright, how's everybody doing today? Back again with another video for you guys and gals. And today what I have for everyone is a quick tutorial with your Jam Replay Bluetooth speaker. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to pair up the speaker if you just got a new Android device and you're not sure how to do it. And I'm also going to show you how to change the languages on the speaker if for some reason your speaker language has changed and you're not sure how to change it back to the language that you had, or it came out of the box with a different language and you want to know how to change it. Don't worry, I got you. Hopefully this video should help you out. So without further ado, let's get started. Let's try and get this done as quick as possible. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is on your Android device, right here, we're using the Moto G7 Power today. You want to swipe down on your notification shade and tap the Bluetooth icon. This turns on Bluetooth on your device. Alright, now, next thing you want to do is press and hold the Bluetooth icon to take you into the Bluetooth settings, and then you want to hit pair a new device. Now your device will begin scanning for nearby Bluetooth devices. Your device is ready to go. Alright, now, back on the Jam Replay, you want to press and hold the power button.
On.
Okay, and it should automatically go into pairing mode. Alright, so now you're ready. Then, back on your device, you should see this pop up right here. You see it says Jam Replay. You just want to tap on that to begin the pairing process. Alright, and hit pair.
Paired.
And there we go. So now that's how you pair the Bluetooth speaker to any one of your smart devices. Same thing works for tablets, desktops, laptops, anything with Bluetooth connectivity or functionality. These steps will work. Alright, now let's go over how you would change the language on the speaker itself. Alright, now I've actually answered this question a lot, and then it dawned on me, why not just make a video so the people can just come to the video and see how to do the steps. So over on the Bluetooth speaker here, now I apologize, kind of hard to see, we have a plus and a minus button. What you want to do to change the language, you want to press and hold the minus button, and then you want to tap the plus button until you get to your desired language. So let's do this. Pressing and holding and tap.
Español.
Spanish and tap again.
Français.
French and tap again.
Português.
I'm not sure what that one is. And tap again. Alright. And tap
English.
one more time. Puts it back to English. So that's how you cycle through the language settings on your Jam Replay Bluetooth speaker. Alright. Alright, so that pretty much does it for this tutorial, guys and gals. I hope you guys and gals found this video helpful. If you did find this video helpful, y'all know what to do. Please help your boy out and give the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. This whole video here today was recorded using the rear-facing 12 megapixel camera on the iPhone 6s Plus in 1080p resolution at 30 frames per second, okay? All of the audio for this video here today was recorded using the Comica V30 Lite shotgun style microphone. So please let me know what you think of the overall video and audio quality down below in the comments. As always, your feedback is greatly appreciated. That being said, I hope everyone has a great day, and I will catch you guys and gals in my next video. Have a good one, everybody. Peace.